Hello class, nice to see all of you again. Today we are going to learn another interesting topic, called recipes, and eating habit. Now, start with me, Unit 7, Recipes and Eating Habit.
Today we're making a prawn salad, which is a favorite of mine. Fantastic. I love salad. This salad is simple but delicious. Here are the main ingredients: prawns, celery, spring onions, mayonnaise, salt and pepper.
What should I do first, Mum?
Can you wash the celery?
Sure.
I can wash the spring onions if you like, Mrs. Warner.
Please do.
Mum, the prawns are getting pink.
They're pink?
Yes.
Good. I will drain them. Nick, can you peel them? Me, could you chop the celery and spring onions? Right, everything's ready. What do we do next? Okay, first, combine the prawns and celery in the bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, some salt, pepper and almond juice. Now, mix all the ingredients well.
Okay.
Finally, add the spring onion on top. Now we cover the bowl, and leave it in the fridge for an hour. You're done a good job, both of you. Mrs. Warren, it'll be delicious.
Sure.